Hi, my name is Dan Hunter. Here's my short video on Excel conditional formatting. Okay, so what's conditional formatting? Well, Excel enables you to manipulate or look at data. And what conditional formatting is enables you to apply a particular formatting style. So that's colours, that's icons, that's fonts, based on conditions of your data. So in summary, if a condition is true, then apply formatting. Let's have a look at some data so we can get to the bottom of this. So here's some student data, and at the moment I've only got 9 students, and the pass mark here is 17 or above. Any student that's got 17 or above has passed. Those students that don't, unfortunately, may have to take a resit. Now, with only 9 students, it's very easy to go through this list and go, Stephen Strange, he didn't pass, neither did Carol Danvers. But imagine if I had a bigger data set. It can be quite difficult to look at a whole load of data and see straight away those patterns, that telling information. So this is where conditional formatting comes into its own. So let's leave this PowerPoint behind and let's switch to Excel. And here's the data I prepared earlier. Now, Excel is very easy. Just use your eyes, read the screen. We're on the home ribbon at the moment, and I can see conditional formatting there. Now, in Excel, it's a good idea. This is the data I want to manipulate, so I'm going to highlight it first. Now, the ribbon has been updated, and the great thing about the ribbon are these little tooltips that tell you what that option does. So if you're ever unsure, just hover your mouse over it and it will tell you. So conditional formatting makes it easier to spot trends and patterns in your data using bars, colours and icons to visually highlight important values. The little downward arrow on that little button means there's lots of options, and here's a whole load of options straight away. Now, I'm not going to look into them all, you've got time to play around with them, but I'm going to just start off really nice and easy with the off-the-shelf versions. So I'm going to look at highlight cell rules, and we're going to look at greater than. So I said with the data, we're looking at data higher than 17. Now, at the moment, it's defaulted to 21, and we can see that any value that's highlighted above 21 is highlighted red. We just type over that, click on OK, and hey presto, wow, I missed Natalia Romanoff. Unfortunately, she didn't pass either. See how great this tool is? So straight away, all of those students who have passed have highlighted in red. All of those students who haven't passed are just normal formatting. I'm going to highlight that data again, conditional formatting, and I'm going to clear the rules. Now, be very, very careful about this. You've got the option to clear it from the entire sheet, or in this case, just the selected cells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to level up, kind of nest my rules. So I'm going to create a new rule here. Lots of different options. So I'm going to do the second one, format cells based on, and I'm going to use the option to say I want greater than or equal to 17. And I've got more control over the formatting here. So I'm going to click format. And I can change the font, I can change the colour. So let's go for a blue there. That's just the font option though, so perhaps I need to change the fill. Let's make it light blue and see what that looks like. Yep, that looks great. Click on OK. And again, that's a long way of doing what that quick off-the-shelf option did. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to manage my rules. I can see the rules that I've got in there, and you can stack your rules up. So I can add a new rule and go, okay, what if the cells are actually less than 17? Format, so let's change fill, let's make that green, let's make the font white. Click on OK and apply it. There you go. video, so I can see straight away those that have passed and those that haven't passed. Now, with any formatting, always keep in mind who the target audience is. So steer clear from using reds and greens at the same time. Some people find them difficult to read, especially if you're colourblind, so always be mindful of your target audience. Have a play around with conditional formatting. Great tool. My name has been Dan Hunter. This is my short video on Excel conditional formatting. Remember to subscribe for more videos. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.